Forgotten username recovery failed on NerdWallet App Fix. If you're struggling to recover your NerdWallet username, most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or skipping critical verification steps. You won't believe how simple it can be to regain access when you follow the right process. Step 1. Open the NerdWallet app or visit the login page and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. NerdWallet will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails sometimes land in unexpected folders, and missing them is a common reason people get stuck. Avoid sending multiple requests too quickly, as this may temporarily lock your account for security reasons. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather essential verification information, such as your full name, date of birth, and any recent account activity. Contact NerdWallet support directly with these details for a faster resolution. Step 4. Once you've recovered your username, store it securely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection, helping prevent future login issues. By carefully following these steps, you can regain access to your NerdWallet account quickly and safely. Remember, proper verification and secure credential management are key to keeping your financial information protected and accessible.